Hello my friends, in this video I will teach you step by step how to register in Forsage, the best system of decentralized donation in the world, okay? So the first step is register a wallet of Ethereum, okay? The wallet that I use to work is MetaMask. For me, it's very good, it's very simple, and very easy to work, okay? So let's go. MetaMask.io. Let's access. So here you need to make the download of the app MetaMask in your browser. You will click here, download. You can use the Firefox, you can use the Google Chrome too. You will down the page, click in Firefox. In my case, you can use Chrome too, okay? And after, add the extension in your browser. Add. Okay. You can see that the Fox is here. You will click here, okay? So the next step is click here in the Fox. Perfect. Welcome. Let's start. I click here in start. So we have two options here. This option is for if you have one MetaMask wallet and if you have the phrase of security, you can click here, put the phrase, and after put your password, create a new password. But if is your first time time here in MetaMask, you will click in create wallet. Is our case. Okay, I agree. So you need to choose a password, very important. Note this password. Okay. Letters and numbers, minimum 8 characters. Okay, check and create. Perfect. So pay attention that we have here a lock, and when I click, I will see a phrase. This is a personal phrase. It's very important that you not show this phrase for anybody and save this phrase here, okay? Take a picture, save in your email, write in your notepad, no problem. I will copy, put here in my notepad and save, okay? Next. Now I need to put my phrase in order. Let's see. Buddy on stamp. Okay, just click buddy on stamp. Dump in any second. Okay. Okay. It's very, very simple, my friends. Sun salute. Okay. And for simple. Okay, my phrase is here in order, and now I will confirm. Okay, congratulations, all done. It's very easy, no? So here I have my Ethereum MetaMask. So when you click here in the Fox, will open the window of MetaMask. You can make a deposit to send Ethereum to your personal MetaMask wallet. To see your wallet, you can click here in these 3 points, account details, and this is your wallet. You can click here and copy, and after send the Ethereums. I recommend for you start in Forsage the minimum, look, 0.06 or 0.065, because the system have fees. Okay, the original value is 0.05, but if you have some the fees is some higher, you can have problems. You can be not sufficient for start the job. It's very good by a few more. Okay, here is good value, 0.6 or 0.65. Okay, I recommend. So after create your MetaMask wallet and after put the Ethereums here, you can contact me and I will teach you how you can buy Ethereum if you don't want to know. Okay, so the next step is have the you need to have the link of your partner. Okay, I will take the link. Look, this is my link. Let's back here in Firefox. You will put here the link of your sponsor, okay, of the people that invited you for this system. If you don't have, I can help you. I can be your partner and offer you all support. Okay, okay, perfect. Click here in Forsage page, change the language. We have many languages here. I will put in English. Okay, join now. So now you click here. Click to register or upgrade slots. In this page is very important because the system will make the connection, okay, with your Forsage account, new Forsage account, and your MetaMask account. You will make the connection. You need to click here, okay? This is my ID, and after you will click in confirm. Okay, in this point, look, you need to buy 0.05, the value that I told to you, okay? But in this wallet I don't have values because this video is just for teach you how step by step. But when you have balance here, just click in confirm. In few minutes your account will be activated. Okay, my friends, very easy. If you have some doubt, let me know. You can send a message here in YouTube channel and have my email too. You can send an email for me and I will send to you my WhatsApp number or my Telegram number for more support. Thank you very much. God bless you and very success in Forsage. Bye bye and see you in the next video.